Have you ever wondered how to earn passive income with cryptocurrencies? Welcome to the world where digital assets are not just for buying and selling, but they can also be your golden goose. Let's talk about passive income. It's the dream, right? Making money while you sleep. Now imagine combining this with the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies, digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security, are not just a medium of exchange. They are also a source of income. Yes, you heard it right. You can earn passive income with cryptocurrencies. It's like having a tireless money-making machine working for you 24/7. This might seem like a fantasy to some, but it's a reality for many. From staking to lending, mining to yield farming, there are several ways to make your cryptocurrencies work for you. But how do you do it? What are the benefits and challenges of each method? Stay with us as we delve into the various ways to earn passive income with cryptocurrencies. Let's start with one of the most popular methods, staking. Now, what is staking? You might ask. Well, in the world of cryptocurrency, staking refers to the process of participating in the validation of transactions on a blockchain network. Here's a simplified version of how it works. You own a certain number of coins of a particular cryptocurrency that supports staking. You then lock these coins in your wallet to support the network's operations, such as validating transactions or securing the network. In return for your service, you earn staking rewards, often in the form of additional coins. Sounds pretty cool, right? Well, it is. But like everything in life, it comes with its own set of benefits and challenges. On the bright side, staking can provide a steady source of income, and it's relatively easy to get started with. It's a great way to put your idle cryptocurrencies to work. Plus, it's more energy efficient than mining, making it a greener option. But on the flip side, staking can be risky. The value of your staked coins can fluctuate, and there's always the risk of network attacks. Additionally, staked coins are often locked for a certain period, which means you won't have immediate access to them if you need to sell or trade. There are plenty of cryptocurrencies that offer staking. Ethereum, for instance, is transitioning to a proof-of-stake model, which will allow users to earn rewards by staking their Ether. Cardano, Polkadot, and Tezos are other popular options for staking. Staking is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience and a good understanding of the market. So if you're considering staking, take the time to do your research. Understand the coin, its use case, and the staking requirements. Remember, in the world of cryptocurrencies, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the risks and reap the rewards. Staking can be a lucrative way to earn passive income with cryptocurrencies, but it's essential to do your research and understand the risks. So, are you ready to stake your claim in the crypto world? Another method to earn passive income in the crypto world is lending your cryptocurrencies. It's as simple as it sounds. You lend your crypto assets to other users or institutions and earn interest on them, just like a traditional bank. Now let's break it down a bit. The lending of cryptocurrencies works on a peer-to-peer basis, facilitated by a lending platform. These platforms act as intermediaries, connecting lenders and borrowers. As a lender, you deposit your cryptocurrencies into the platform, which are then lent out to borrowers. In return, you receive interest payments, providing you with a steady stream of passive income. One of the key benefits of crypto lending is the potential for high returns. Interest rates in the crypto world can be significantly higher than traditional banking rates. However, this does come with its own set of challenges. The volatility of the crypto market can impact the returns on your investment. Additionally, there's always a risk of the borrower defaulting on their loan. There are numerous platforms where you can lend your cryptocurrencies. For instance, BlockFi and Celsius Network are popular choices due to their high interest rates and user-friendly interfaces. These platforms offer a variety of cryptocurrencies to lend, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more. However, it's not all about the high interest rates. It's also important to consider the platform's security measures. Remember, in the crypto world, security is king. Look for platforms that have robust security protocols and insurance coverage to protect your assets against potential threats. In conclusion, Lending can provide a steady stream of passive income, but it's important to consider the risks and choose a reliable platform. It's a balancing act, weighing the potential returns against the inherent risks. But with careful consideration and due diligence, lending your cryptocurrencies can be a lucrative way to earn passive income in the crypto world. Mining and yield farming are other methods to earn passive income with cryptocurrencies. Let's start with mining. Mining is a crucial aspect of the cryptocurrency world. It's the process by which new coins are created and transactions are confirmed. Picture it like a digital gold rush, where powerful computers compete to solve complex mathematical problems. Once these problems are solved, voila! The miner is rewarded with a new batch of the cryptocurrency. Now, the benefits of mining are quite enticing. First, you get the reward from mining new coins. Second, you also get transaction fees paid by other users. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Mining comes with its fair share of challenges, the biggest hurdle being the cost. Mining requires a significant investment in powerful and expensive computer equipment. Moreover, the electricity costs can be astronomical. Yet if you're up for the challenge, Bitcoin and Ethereum are two of the most popular cryptocurrencies to mine. Shifting gears, let's dive into yield farming. It's a relatively new method where you can put your cryptocurrency holdings to work. In a nutshell, yield farming involves lending your cryptocurrency to others via smart contracts. In return, you earn fees or additional cryptocurrency. It's similar to putting money in a savings account and earning interest. Yield farming can be highly profitable. However, it's also complex and risky. It often involves intricate strategies and a deep understanding of the crypto market. Plus, there's always the risk that the borrower might not pay back. Despite these challenges, DeFi platforms like Compound and Uniswap are popular choices for yield farming. In summary, both mining and yield farming could potentially rake in substantial passive income, but remember, they also require a significant investment of time, resources, and a stomach for risk. So before you dive in, make sure to do thorough research and consider seeking advice from financial professionals. Mining and yield farming can be profitable, but they require a significant investment of time and resources. While these methods can be profitable, it's important to understand the risks associated with earning passive income with cryptocurrencies. First off, let's talk about market volatility. The value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate wildly, and this volatility can impact the returns from your passive income strategies. One day you could be raking in profits, and the next you might find yourself in a loss. This uncertainty makes it crucial to diversify your investments and not put all your eggs in one crypto basket. Next, regulatory changes. The legal landscape for cryptocurrencies is still evolving worldwide. Governments and financial institutions are grappling with how to regulate these digital assets. This can lead to sudden policy shifts that could affect your passive income streams. For example, staking rewards might be taxed differently in the future, or certain lending platforms could be outlawed. Therefore, staying informed about regulatory changes in your country and globally is essential. Then we have technological risks. The crypto world is built on complex technology, and even the most secure systems are not immune to glitches, hacks, or sudden changes. For instance, a bug in a smart contract could lead to the loss of your staked coins, or a hard fork in a blockchain could render your mining equipment obsolete overnight. Understanding the technology behind your passive income methods and keeping up with technological developments is key to mitigating these risks. Lastly, there's the risk of scams or fraudulent schemes. The promise of high returns can attract unscrupulous players who are out to defraud investors. Always do your due diligence before investing in a platform or project. Check for transparency, verify the team's credibility, and look for reviews from other users. Understanding these risks can help you make informed decisions and manage your investments effectively. Yes, the world of crypto can be a bit of a wild west, but with the right knowledge and a bit of caution, you can navigate it and potentially earn a lucrative passive income. Just remember, don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and always stay informed. Now that you know about the various methods to earn passive income with cryptocurrencies, you might be wondering how to get started. Well, let's recap. We've discussed staking, where you hold and lock up your tokens to support a network. Lending, where you loan out your tokens for interest. Mining, where you validate transactions and earn rewards. And yield farming, where you provide liquidity to a decentralized exchange. But before diving in, remember to do your due diligence. Each of these methods has its own level of risk and reward, and it's important to understand these before investing. Start small, perhaps by staking a small amount of cryptocurrency or lending on a platform with a solid reputation. Earning passive income with cryptocurrencies can be an exciting journey. Remember to do your research, stay informed, and manage your risks effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.